Okay, people, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're on a wonderful day today. But there's a few updates I see trending in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we're gonna kick it off with dancehall King Vybz Kartel, ex-common law wife, his baby mother Shorty. As you know, he did an interview the other day with Keyshia, and practically, I'm fling her under the bus. You see what I say? And I say, I'm bare bun. She give him while in prison and no cheese, meaning no money, no make. Panfear, and cause Keisha, man, American rapper Gucci Man went to prison, and he left a portion of millions with her, and she flipped it. So when he came home, he came home to a bag of money. You see what I say? But nevertheless, she is reacting to that interview. So before we hear what she said, let's just take a quick reminder of what Cartel said about Shorty, and then we'll proceed.
Deal with him.
Which
Which
bring me to the next thing. That's why I told you about the bun and cheese earlier.
You get what it's about?
But Jesus!
So well on, baby, I will get the bun and Shorty.
Every time.
Keisha, can you behave yourself? All right, I'm back. I'm back. Zip it up.
I tell you. But let's just say that every time I see bun,
You're afraid.
I'm traumatized.
You're traumatized.
PTSD.
But guess what?
Yeah.
See them not getting no bun.
Yes, and this is what she's reacting to, because bare people rush her life as expected. You see, I say, and her husband, did an interview on her and all of this stuff. You see, I say, but she says she's the humble calf, and she's tougher than Vybz Kartel, and her bag of things saying he's a slave master and all of this stuff. You see, I say, so enough of me talking, people. Just share the video up on our social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, and let's get into what Tanisha is saying.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Tell them Toya. Wanna talk for me, cause these people are crazy. One Molly Queen, one Molly Queen. One thing for sure, you're being humble, and I'm gonna forever be humble. Humble is the key. Yep. Make up for the knowledge. Humble are the key, and them don't know that. I take me have time for name up myself and kill up myself. Laugh loss is the best. I don't mean I really laugh off of people still, but one of them thing there. Yeah. You watch how you get black. Black. You're a junker, yeah. You don't have no sense. You don't know all of that, you pussy. Go suck your mother and go bed. Wash your beard, you see me like front. Power top. Yeah. Fix the fuck. Hey, some people just love how me humble and stay in a cause. Trust me. You see, if me name bagger and problem, that here the half of it, but I know the drama. I'm born June. Yeah, see how me I keep it. Me in the drama on the bagger. Crazy. Yeah, some people are chat off them out and I said this and I said that. Who know, just no know. Yep. As a Gemini, yeah man, I got always humble and I have no time for kill up myself and do them things then. I'm not gonna adapt it. I never see yourself for a morning, I'm not gonna adapt it now. Yeah. I gonna always be me, of course. They might try hard, but them not get it, trust me. Nobody not getting a reaction out of me. Them could have tried to come more till thy kingdom come, oh Lord. And never that me pick. Talbas! All when me not see them. Tell you, you're a fridge, you know. You're an old fridge. Can't bother with that, you know, man. Power top. Shout out to Big Up. Yes, and olives nice. Thank you. Just go up on the page and place on the order and click the link in the bio. I know if people go over there and I try use fake credit card and order. Hey, them people they're not easy, you know. I ship everywhere. Taya, you know them, so you do what you have to do. Gemini badness. Just do what you have to do. It's like how British now watch no face. You just a kick out be a teeth. Make up for the rule. Oh, that was big up. Guys, power top. We're soon reach it. No chattings. No chattings. What going good, girl? Wagwan Toya.
Yeah, I bust it up on them for go, man.
Two more two-face, huh?
Yeah, bad. I'm going back down there comment section because we are black as we see them.
Alright, fuck them up. One Johnson. I be Wagwan. Go on top. Me a relax. All my haters. At first, you know, black. Me say you want to get black. Blood clot. Me see what go on there, so. Come like somebody a ball for black. Because you want to eat and keep you. God, body and I want thing with me, man. I go pop down. I'm not go mark down. Crazy. One time I cook on the day, man. I cook on Friday. I cook pasta Friday. The price is on the page. You will come and type this and type that, or you think you type that I'm gonna say something? Fucking dumb. You fucking dumbass. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking idiot. Fucking asshole. I'm in the mood for playing a song now. My bed me there. You had enough song now years last night. And we was okay. Yeah man. Be nice them I make. Be nice them I make. And them not talk about themselves. What up guys? The party didn't good enough. My Sunday is good. I need to tell you. At what time now? Murder. Ramisha gone. It's a party but me not cook. Party but me drunk. Party nice as fuck. Yeah, party did nice. I'm alright, so I'll look on them. Okay, child, I'll go on. One. Yeah. I choose me, them vex. And that I carry the feelings, you know. Everyone going. Happy Sunday. Hey. If half of the story been told, oh my God. Crazy. Me I tell you British, who know, you know what? Who don't know, you just have to just stay one side and assume and chat. Yeah. But me just hold it like a real G, maybe. Yeah, man. Me I show them some tougher than them. No, me not explain nothing to you. I just a say, you not go ever hear me say certain things or talk to certain things. Yeah, that is it. You not run up and down for try get no hype from nobody. Cause remember, say me humble. Yeah. Me not run down hype on them, some of them. I give them annoyance, man. Crazy. If me not do that long time. None of them. But sometimes, you know, some people just they one side and attack shit and not even look into things. They're not even look into things, I'm just a chat shit or something. I'm not giving nobody no interview. I'm not depend that. Also, I'm not giving nobody no interview. No interview, I'm not do them shit there. Who no. Who no know, stay one side and go and assume no fool no fuck. But anyway, power tap guys, and remember to go over the cream page and follow the page. Yeah, that is it. Yup. Me I go cook for you. What you want me cook for you? Boss Lady skin cream. Boss Lady skin cream. On Instagram and TikTok. Rochelle, that's all you want me cook. You oxtail. Oxtail. Jerk chicken wing. Yeah. Stew peas. Oxtail soup. I never do that yet. I'm gonna take me a good eat. Steam fish. Amount of fish to meat family. Yes. Barbecue works. Big up. Yeah, actually, I'm stupid. Be a stupid, me see I roll out. When I cook them, add something to the. Trust me. Garlic lobster. Can't kids them good. Cook salmon then. That me I go do. The salmon and some mashed potato. But me not right now. I can cook for you, Tanisha. I be me tell you something I cook no hard, you know. Nothing hard. I can't read the ring. I don't like read the ring. Hell fucking no, you take me for about cup soup. Lift up. You do me that. You do me that. Salmon and shrimp to cook to the show. Or them up. Tell somebody else that. No me. No do me that. Go somewhere else with that. Me say something simple so you come tell me about cup soup. How the black clan is. Why is him there with him fair? Aye. Good say cup soup. But you didn't tell me if you eat a bun and cheese. No, I don't like KFC. Listen, I cook, you know, and don't get it twisted, you know, but something easy, like shrimp, some salmon, some mashed potato, something. We'll do this, Tiffany. Tiffany do my shot with them. Roast pork. I'm not going with the most though. I'm shot. No, I'm not eat that.
Yeah, put down a comment section where you think about people when not go along with this no longer, you know, because we have more, you know, mix up and bagga to post. So make sure you subscribe to all of my platforms and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.